Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a dynamic drop-down list that automatically sorts values in alphabetical order. This is a fantastic feature for any Excel user who needs to manage a list with frequently updated entries. Let's start by preparing our data. We have a list of fruits in column A, and we may add new fruits to this list over time. Our goal is to create a dynamic drop-down list that will always display these fruits in alphabetical order. First, select your fruit list, then click on Formulas in the ribbon, and choose Define Name under the Defined Names group. This will help us create a reference for our list that we can use in our formulas. In the New Name dialog, enter List as the name, and use the formula equals offset sheet 2 $1 0 0 counta sheet 2 $1 $1001. In the refers to field, this formula creates a dynamic range that will adjust as new fruits are added. Now, create a new sheet. Let's call it sheet 3. In cell A1, enter a formula that will sort the fruits from our named range list. This formula uses a combination of if, counta, rows, index, match, small, and countif functions. Since the formula is an array formula, after entering it, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to calculate and display the sorted list of fruits. Drag the fill handle down in column A of sheet 3 until you reach the bottom of your sorted list. This will create a complete sorted list of fruits. Go back to the Formulas tab, and define a new name for your sorted list. Call it Sort List, and set it to refer to the first 20 cells in column A of sheet 3, enter. Equals sheet 3, $1, $A $20. Into refers to. This will be the source for our drop-down list. Select the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear, let's say C2. Go to the Data tab, and under Data Tools, choose Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, under the Settings tab, choose List from the Allow drop-down menu, and enter equals Sort List as the source for your drop-down list. Click OK to apply. Check your cell C2, and you should now have a drop-down list with fruits sorted in alphabetical order. To add a new fruit, simply enter it into your original list on sheet 1. The Sort List on sheet 2 and the drop-down list in cell C2 will automatically update to include the new fruit, maintaining alphabetical order. That's it. You've successfully created a dynamic drop-down list in Excel that sorts values alphabetically. This technique is incredibly useful for maintaining an organized list with the ability to add new items on the fly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try this out with your own Excel lists to streamline your data management. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.